Do your hips, Black Luke. It's a very good bongo dancing. Is there any other dance you want to show me?
No.
All right.
So you have to figure out this song.
Okay. What is that? What is that? Da, da, da. Is it the do re mi? How about the chubby little snowman? That's chubby little snowman. All right. Where are you going today?
To the aquarium.